English Reading Practice, Part 2. Seven billion people are on this earth, and everybody is different from the rest of others. There is nothing without purpose in this world. Everything has some purpose. Humans are the best creation, and each person is exclusive. Thus, writing about myself, I'm here to express myself, that what I see, what I experience, and what I plan for my life. I try myself to be modest, passionate, devoted, hardworking, and honest.
I'm from a middle-class family of Bihar. I am Naresh Shukla. Nobody comes in this world without the support of family and friends, actually. Whatever you will be, it is just because of your family. My father is a respected businessman in our community. My mother is a doctor. They both love their occupation. That's I have learned from my parents the value of time, honesty, hard work, and commitment to the purpose. We are 3 brothers and sisters. Being the oldest, I am the most liable from me brothers and sisters. I am wanted to guide and take care of my other siblings. We all are in the same school. Reading is my passion.
I am a keen reader of novels and history books, as I have a strong interest in Indian history and classical architecture.
I love to read books that refer to the rich history and civilization of ancient India. At my pre-childhood, I used to listen to stories from my grandmother, and this has a long-lasting effect on me.
I am studying at the best school in my city. I am presently in class 10th. I feel happy to be a part of this great school with good friends. Helpful and loving teacher and sound school administration. I have extraordinary skills in some subjects, whereas I am very weak in the few.
In compared to studies, I am good at sports. So I am the captain of my class football team. I am the best football player at my school. Besides this, I am a fast runner also, and I love athletics. I am an expert swimming. The advice of my parents had a keen effect on my habits. I believe to speak the truth and try my best not to lie. My parents always advised me that if I commit a mistake, I should admit it.
I try my best to do so. I know how to remain happy in every condition, because I believe that happiness is not out there, it's in you. I am a very adventurous person and like to take a risk. I like to do a creative thing besides doing old stuff again and again. Learning new things is one thing which I always enjoy. I always update myself with the news. Along with this, I'm fond of reading a few children magazines in which different motivation stories are there. They taught me a high moral lesson.